and dress up. So I'm creating today traditionally look. So guys, first I'm telling you how to prepare a skin before the makeup. So before the makeup I'm going to prepare the skin. So first I'm telling you how to do it, this one. So guys, first I'm going to cleanse my face to remove old makeup. Clean it under the nose, mouth and face. Just gently massaging. Then after 2-3 minute massage, then I'm going to remove with wet and damp cotton buds like this. Cleanser is very important to remove all your old makeups and dust and like that. So before applying any makeup you have to remove all. Second, I'm going to scrub my face, so I'm using Forever Living. I'm going to remove your all dead skins and clean your skin properly. So massage 2-3 minutes. By the way, this is very soft scrubs I'm using. So guys, you can use according to your skin conditions. So if you got any sensitivity skin, don't use very harsh scrub. So I'm going to massage like that 2-3 minutes inside my face. So I have got a dry skin, so I'm using twice a week. So guys, all this process you can do in your bathroom, but I'm doing front of camera today to showing how to do it. So guys, when I finish my scrub the face, then I'm going to scrub my lips. I'm using lip scrubs. You can use any kind of scrubs. I have thing around your lips to take out your all dead skin. So guys, after clean and scrub your face, apply the toner. Toner will remove any stress of cleanser and close your pores. So I'm using today Aloe Vera refreshing toner. So guys, you must remember before applying any makeup, cleanse, toner and moisturize. This is the 3 steps you have to follow always to get your desired makeup result. So just applying the dapping way. And leave at least 1 minute to absorb to your skin. So after toner your face, apply any moisturizer cream. So I'm using NIVEA Lotion, very high reach. So guys, I have got very dry skin, so I'm always use extra rich moisturizing. So guys, you can use any one. I'm just going to put cream or lotion. Just apply very gently. So just tap or just apply the gently, and don't forget to apply in your neck as well. And leave 1 minute to absorb to your skin. Ready for foundation. Then guys, I'm using MORPHE primer to long lasting my makeup. For my eyes, I'm using Wild Rose Soothing Eye Cream to make my eyes soften and reduce the fine lines. For lip balm, I'm using Kiko malani to keep my lips smooth and plump. Guys, all skin preparation is finished, so I'm going to start main makeup parts. So first I'm using Pro Brush to correcting my under eyes or uneven tones, or if you got any pigmentation you can apply, but you can see guys, I'm using peach color, even skin there, so I'm going to apply that. I'm going to blend dry sponge, just tap. If you got black circle eyes, under eyes or uneven skin tone or pigmentation without corrector, please don't put any foundation. closed, so I'm using natural beige. This is the full coverage. So guys, normally I'm not using full coverage. It's feel very heavy. I'm always use the very light coverage. So have a look today. What's this look like? It's not bad. It's look very nice, very creamy. So always use a little bit amount first, any products, then you can build up. If I need it, I'm going to add more. So don't forget to put in your neck as well. Then I'm using brush, then I'm going to so guys, I'm very fussy about my eyebrow. Always I don't like very heavy or overdone eyebrows, so I'm using always as usual. I'm using today Pro Base fixing spray. Then I use the PEARS soap. Then I'm going to spray a little bit there. Then mix. So first I'm going to comb my brow upway. Then I'm going to apply the soap. You can use the brow soap. So guys, it's totally optional if you want to go overdrawn, or if you want to make the like a tattoos, or you can use the gel, or you can use the powder. Then I'm using eyebrow pencil, a 3-in-1 from Primark. This is my best. Slightly going to draw my eyebrow. Then just stroke upward, very slightly. Just fill the gaps. Next I'm using MORPHE concealer to clean my eyebrows, and I'm using same concealer upper my eyelids. Taking a small brush, then clean it. Concealer I'm using under my eyes. And blend. Next I'm using RIMMEL London loose powder, and I'm taking very little amount, and I'm going to apply under my eyes and my T-zones to stop coming crease. Not too much. I'm applying very little amount. So today I'm using MORPHE 365 eyeshadow palette. So first I'm applying very light color. I'm going to apply eye crease and blend it out. Second color I'm using brown color. Then I'm going to apply inner corner and outer corner. Then I'm going to blend it out. I'm using from MORPHE liquid eyeshadow. So guys, you don't need a clean when you apply the liquid eyeshadow. So I'm going to apply directly from the applicator. You got hooded eyes, keep your eye down and let it dry. And I'm going back same shade, then I'm going to apply the corner. I'm using the gel eyeliner. So guys, you can make thin or thick eyeliner. Next I'm taking same color eyeshadows and apply. Next I'm using from Silk eye pencil. Apply. I'm using from PEARS mascara. happy Dasera everyone, and enjoy with the family, and take care everyone, and thanks for watching my video. Till then everyone, take care, bye bye.